Hello everyone. I hope you are all fine. Today's story is very helpful. Please watch this story till the end. It has many daily useful sentences. This story is simple but meaningful. Now let's start. My name is Ethan. I am a doctor. I work in a busy hospital. Every day, I see many faces. Some faces are full of hope. Some faces are full of fear. I wake up early every morning. I get ready in silence. I wear my white coat. I look at myself in the mirror. I remind myself to stay strong. Then I leave for the hospital. The hospital is always crowded. People wait for their turn. Some people are in pain. Some people look very tired. I greet my patients politely. I ask them how they feel. I listen to them carefully. Listening is very important. Sometimes patients just want to talk. They want someone to understand them. I try to stay calm. I try to help everyone. Not every day is easy. Some days are very hard. I have to make quick decisions. I feel pressure on my mind. I feel responsibility on my shoulders. One small mistake can be dangerous. That thought scares me sometimes. But I do not stop. I focus on my work. I trust my training. I trust my experience. I move forward with courage. Sometimes I save a life. That moment feels amazing. I feel proud of myself. I thank God silently. The family smiles with relief. Their tears turn into happiness. Those moments give me strength. They remind me why I chose this job. They give meaning to my struggle. They give peace to my heart. I take a deep breath. I prepare for the next patient. But not every story ends well. Some patients are too weak. Some diseases are too strong. Sometimes I lose a patient. Those moments break my heart. I feel empty inside. I ask myself many questions. Did I do enough? Could I do more? I feel sadness and guilt. But I still stand there. I respect the life that ended. After a long day, I go home. My body feels very tired. My feet hurt a lot. My eyes feel heavy. But my mind is still awake. I think about my patients. I remember their faces. I remember their words. Some words stay with me. Some stories never leave me. I try to rest. But my heart is still working. One night, I met an old man. He was very weak. His voice was very soft. I treated him carefully. I talked to him kindly. He looked into my eyes. He held my hand slowly. He said, "Thank you, doctor. No one listened to me before." Those words touched my heart. I felt tears in my eyes. I understood my true role. I realized something important. Being a doctor is not only about medicine. It is also about kindness. It is about patience. It is about listening. Sometimes medicine is not enough. Sometimes words heal more. Sometimes silence helps more. I started giving more time. I started listening more deeply. I started caring more openly. My work felt more meaningful. There are days when I feel weak. There are days when I feel lost. I feel like giving up sometimes. The pressure feels too much. The responsibility feels heavy. But then I remember my purpose. People trust me with their lives. That trust is very powerful. It pushes me forward. It gives me strength. I stand up again. I continue my journey. Every patient teaches me something. Some teach me patience. Some teach me gratitude. Some teach me courage. I learn every single day. I learn from mistakes. I learn from success. I try to become better. Not just a better doctor, but a better human. I respect every life. I value every moment. People think doctors are very strong. But doctors are human too. We feel pain. We feel fear. We feel sadness. We hide our tears. We hide our stress. We smile for others. We stay calm in chaos. We stand tall in pressure. This is our silent struggle. This is our hidden life. My life is not easy, but it is meaningful. I wake up every day with hope. I go to work with courage. I help people in pain. I give them hope. I give them care. I give them my best. I am Ethan. I am a doctor. This is my story. And tomorrow, I will begin again.